Ibambela ntloko yejaji zeli ujaji Raymond Zondo uyitshayisa qhuma ebhebhetha umhlathi obhalwe ngunkosikazi Lindiwe Sisulu. Kulomhlathi unkosikazi Sisulu uthi ijaji ezinsundu kweli zinengqondo ezele bubukoloniali ezisebenza ngokwengqiqo yabo boxutha umhlaba kokhokho bazo. Ziyabethana ke izimvo kubahlalutyi bezopolitiko ngalomba.
The Constitution allows Ms. Sisulu, like all of us, she's entitled to an opinion. What is happening right now is that is thrown into file 13 at this point in time. She's denied an opinion.
Ushingalwazi tinyiko maluleke uthi imbiza mayingagqiki iketile kodwa zibila kunye ziko.
She can't just start a theoretical debate, an ideological debate for the rest of us to follow. When in fact she has been right in the center of it.
Umnumzana ongama Mtimka uthi osopolitiki mabangaqwalisi umgaqo-siseko nenkonzo yobulungisa xa besoyisakala ukuphucula impilo zabantu.
The danger in her piece is its politics. It panders to an escapist route that has been taken by many politicians who have failed to lead.
Ukanti unkosikazi Sisulu ufakana imilomo namagqwetha akhe ngalomba.
The minister has noted the comments made by the acting Chief Justice Zondo, and they will be engaged with at an appropriate time in an appropriate platform.
Kusenjalo iqela le-EFF nalo lingenelwa yela kulomba likhwela lizehlela kwibambela ntloko lejaji ujaji Zondo ngendlela aphendule ngayo kulomhlathi kankosikazi Sisulu ngelithi ugaya inkxaso yokuba ijaji eyintloko kwinkundla yomgaqo-siseko.
Ukanti aphawulile amanye amaqela aphikisayo epalamente ngale ngxokolo.
This is part of the Nkandla plan. And the main target is Deputy Chief Justice Raymond Zondo and the Zondo Commission's report.
These comments were indeed insulting, and that Acting Chief Justice Zondo responded correctly to protect the independence of the judiciary from unsubstantiated allegations.
The showdown between the political elites and the judiciary oligarchy, as represented by the open clash of opinions between Lindiwe Sisulu and Raymond Zondo, is the beginning of the end for South Africa. A people's Azania is on the rise. Sisulu is restating the basic position of African nationalism against settler colonialism, while Zondo is expressing opinions of the guards of apartheid reforms. One between the two must die.